Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of screencasting, let's ensure you have everything you need to embark on this exciting journey. An Android device with mirroring capabilities. As mentioned, most Android devices released in recent years come equipped with screen mirroring capabilities. A Google Chromecast device. To cast your Android screen to your TV, you'll need a Google Chromecast streaming device. Alternatively, if your TV has built-in Chromecast support, such as the Hisense U8H Google TV, you won't need an external device. You can download the Google Home app from the Play Store if it's not already installed on your device. If not, you can easily download it from the Play Store. Here's how to cast your Android screen using the Google Home app. Open the Google Home app on your Android device. Select the Chromecast device you want to use for screencasting. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find a button labeled, Cast My Screen. Tap it to initiate the casting process. By accessing the Quick Settings panel, you can initiate screencasting with just a few taps. Swipe down from the top of your Android phone or tablet's display to access the Quick Settings panel. Look for an option labeled, Screencast. If you can't find it, some devices feature a Smart View shortcut, typically found on Samsung devices. This shortcut serves the same purpose. Tap the Screencast or Smart View button to open a list of available casting devices. Choose the device you want to mirror your display on from the list. Wait a few seconds for your phone to establish a connection with the selected Chromecast-enabled device. Once connected, your screen will appear on your TV. To conclude the casting session, repeat the same steps and tap Stop Casting. Open the app. Launch the app from which you want to cast content. For example, if you're using the YouTube app, open it on your Android device. Choose your device. Select the Chromecast-enabled device or TV you want to cast to from the list. Start casting. After selecting the device, the app's content will begin casting to your TV. Stop casting. To stop casting, return to the app and tap the cast icon again. While screencasting is a relatively straightforward process, you may encounter some common issues along the way. Here are some troubleshooting tips for a smooth casting experience. Ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection. Both your Android device and Chromecast-enabled TV should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. A stable connection is essential for seamless casting. Update your apps. Make sure both the Google Home app and any apps you plan to cast from are up to date. Outdated apps can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Restart devices. If you encounter connectivity problems, try restarting your Android device, Chromecast, and TV. This can often resolve minor issues. Check device compatibility. Ensure that your Android device is indeed compatible with screencasting. If you have an older device running an outdated Android version, you may face limitations. Adjust screen resolution. If you notice issues with the aspect ratio or screen resolution, access your Android device's display settings and adjust them accordingly. Clear cache and data. Occasionally, clearing the cache and data of the Google Home app can resolve casting problems. Navigate to your device's app settings to perform this action. Explore additional apps. Beyond casting, explore apps that enhance your viewing experience. Apps like Local Cast and All Cast allow you to stream media from various sources, including Google Drive and Dropbox, to your TV. Use Google Assistant. If you have a Google Assistant-enabled device, you can control your casting sessions using voice commands. Simply say, "Hey Google, cast content to device." Consider audio options. Depending on your TV and sound system, you might want to adjust audio settings for optimal sound quality. Explore your TV's audio settings to fine-tune your experience. Experiment with gaming. While screencasting may not be suitable for intensive gaming, it works well for casual games. Explore gaming apps that offer casting support for a fun multiplayer experience. Security and privacy. Be mindful of casting sensitive or private content. Ensure that your casting sessions are secure, especially when casting personal photos or videos. Stay updated. Keep an eye on updates from Google and app developers. New features and improvements are regularly introduced to enhance the casting experience. Multiple device casting. Did you know you can cast your Android screen to multiple devices simultaneously? This feature, known as group casting, allows you to share your screen with multiple TVs or Chromecast-enabled devices within the same network. To set up group casting, open the Google Home app, tap on your Chromecast device, and select Create Speaker Group. This is perfect for parties or watching sports events on multiple screens. Guest mode. If you have guests over and they want to cast content to your TV without connecting to your Wi-Fi network, guest mode is a handy feature. Enable guest mode on your Chromecast, and your guests can cast to it using a pin displayed on the TV screen. This adds a layer of convenience for sharing content. Casting from a PC. While our focus has been on casting from Android devices, you can also cast from a Windows PC or Mac computer using the Google Chrome browser. Simply click on the three-dot menu, select Cast, and choose your casting device. This method is great for sharing web content or presentations. Screen recording. Sometimes, you might want to record what you're casting to your TV. Android devices running Android 11 or later have built-in screen recording features. You can initiate screen recording while casting and save the footage for later. Casting games. If you're a mobile gamer, consider casting your gameplay to the big screen. Many mobile games support casting, allowing you to play on your Android device while showcasing your gaming skills on TV. Roku Streaming Stick. Roku offers a range of streaming devices with screen casting capabilities. The Roku Streaming Stick is a versatile choice that supports casting from Android devices. It comes with a user-friendly interface and access to various streaming apps. Amazon Fire TV Stick. Amazon's Fire TV Stick is another excellent casting device. It works seamlessly with Android devices and provides access to popular streaming platforms, making it a suitable choice for Amazon Prime members. Apple TV. If you have a mixed ecosystem with Android and Apple devices, Apple TV can bridge the gap. While primarily designed for Apple products, it supports screen mirroring from Android devices using third-party apps. Miracast-enabled TVs. Some modern smart TVs come with Miracast support, a wireless display standard. If your TV supports Miracast, you can cast your Android screen without the need for additional hardware. Check your TV's settings for Miracast options.